Hey guys, welcome to my channel. I am Rosemary, and in this video I'll be showing you how to make a headband wig. Please give me a thumbs up, comment, and if you are new, please consider subscribing for more DIYs. I will be using hot water braids, a small crochet, scissor, a wig cap and hairband, a needle and a yarn. So I'm going to show you two methods. The first one is the sew-in method, and I'm going to tie fiber or hairpiece on the yarn to create a bundle. And this is how I do it, and you'll see the product. The second method is the crochet method. For this method of the sew-in method, just make sure that you do not take a lot of hairpiece because it's going to be unraveled. And this is how the bundle looks like. And then I will place the headband on the wig cap, so the position of the band is determined by where you want your wig to be positioned on your head and the size of your head, of course. So you can place it at the end of the wig cap or push it back a bit if your head is small, just like what I did here. So the first thing I'm gonna do is to combine the headband and the wig cap. Please follow along as I do the combining. Please leave about 1 centimeter when you sew on the headband to be able to hide the hair fiber knots. I'll just show you quickly what I mean by leave 1 centimeter. And this is what I meant when I said leave 1 centimeter. So it's to hide the knots so that the wig can look a bit professional, actually professional, you know. So now I'm demonstrating the first method. I will sew in the bundle I created first around the edges, and then to do that I'll start by creating a knot of the yarn just to make sure that the wool doesn't come out. I will then flip the hairband and sew in under the 1 centimeter space. I'll continue sewing until I finish the whole cycle. On the second method, I will use the small crochet. You can use the crochet method only if you wish. You will have to make sure that you crochet the fiber very close to each other on the edges to hide the spaces of the wig cap. Yo guys, so here my crochet was split into two, so I had to make sure that I move regardless of the obstacle. And then here I'll just cut the excess wig cap so that our wig can look, you know, super professional. I will use this hairband to hide the wig band. I bought it at Take-A-Lot, and what I like about it is that it has that that securing, I don't know what you call it. Yeah, you saw it. Otherwise, you can sew in 3 wig combs to secure the wig and tie using any hairband. To straighten the hair, I used a hair straightener, so make sure that the hot water braids you are going to use do not burn, because I've seen some hot water braids, like they cannot withstand high temperatures, so just make sure that they can withstand. So this one, even if you take it to 5, it's not gonna burn. That's what I like about it. As you can see that the hair is well straightened, it didn't burn, it's very light as well. That's what I like about it. And this is how it looks like on my head. Thank you so much for watching the video. Please don't forget to give me a thumbs up, comment, and also subscribe. I will then see you on the next one. If you like this type of videos, please let me know what you would like to see in terms of the wig hairstyles. Thank you.